Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're providing our intraday market analysis for March 6th, 2025, covering those same four key markets: Ethereum, the DXY, UsOil, and the Us30. We'll again be integrating fundamental perspectives with mass pressure timing data to offer a potential trading roadmap for your day. Let's begin right away with Ethereum. Our fundamental outlook, carried forward as still slightly bullish from earlier in the week, remains relevant. Now, when we examine the mass pressure chart specifically for Thursday, March 6th, 2025, we observe a distinct profile. Mass pressure on Ethereum is consistently elevated and active throughout Thursday's session, holding predominantly in higher ranges. While fluctuations exist, the overall tendency of mass pressure can be characterized as sideways to slightly increasing, with periodic peaks emerging roughly every half hour. This sustained high mass pressure level, combined with our baseline bullish fundamental view, continues to suggest potential for bullish intraday opportunities in Ethereum. Look for possible entry timings around those half-hourly mass pressure peaks, while always applying prudent risk management. Next, let's analyze the DXY, the US dollar index. Our fundamental perspective for the dollar index remains neutral to slightly dollar weak. When we analyze the Thursday, March 6th, 2025 mass pressure, specifically for the DXY, we note a significant shift in scale compared to Wednesday. Mass pressure values are now consistently in the 65 range. However, the defining feature of Thursday's DXY mass pressure is its exceptionally narrow range and remarkably low volatility. The data is strikingly flat throughout the day, exhibiting practically no discernible trend. This constrained and stable mass pressure reading strongly reinforces our neutral fundamental outlook for the dollar index. It points towards a day potentially characterized by consolidation and range-bound trading for the DXY. Intraday trading opportunities may be more suited to very short-term, range trading approaches, given the lack of directional momentum indicated by the mass pressure data. Now, moving on to UsOil. We are still maintaining a generally balanced and neutral fundamental outlook for crude oil on March 6th. Analyzing the mass pressure for Thursday, March 6th, 2025, in UsOil, we again observe this pattern of exceptionally low volatility that we noted in the DXY. US oil mass pressure values for Thursday are remarkably stable, fluctuating within an extraordinarily narrow range and showing virtually no discernible trend across the trading day. This flat and constrained mass pressure profile, mirroring the DXY, continues to reinforce our neutral fundamental outlook for crude oil. It indicates a high probability of continued range-bound, sideways price action for US oil intraday on Thursday. Therefore, consider intraday strategies focused on capturing smaller price movements within a defined range, rather than anticipating strong, sustained directional trends. Lastly, let's examine the Us30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We are carrying forward our assumed cautiously optimistic fundamental backdrop for equities on March 6th. Turning to the mass pressure data for Thursday, March 6th, 2025, specifically for the Us30, we see a starkly contrasting profile compared to both the DXY and UsOil. The mass pressure for the Us30 on Thursday is characterized by high volatility and a wide range of values, fluctuating significantly throughout the session. Unlike the flatter mass pressure profiles of the DXY and UsOil, the Us30 data displays no clear directional trend, instead exhibiting erratic up and down movements. This highly volatile and trendless mass pressure reading for the Us30 suggests a market experiencing intraday indecision and active two-sided trading. While cautiously optimistic fundamentals may support generally elevated mass pressure levels compared to other markets, the lack of clear trend and high volatility in the mass pressure data points to a potentially choppy and less predictable intraday trading environment for the US30 on Thursday. Be prepared for rapid price swings and consider intraday strategies adaptable to high volatility and potentially range-bound conditions within shorter time frames, always prioritizing robust risk management. Remember, market analysis is not foolproof. Prices might not always align precisely with our fundamental views or mass pressure timing projections. Should price action invert against our initial analysis, don't dismiss the mass pressure periodicity. These periodic timings can still be highly valuable. Utilize them as potential entry points when you observe price reversals. Consider double or triple tops and bottoms, or for entries during trend continuations, such as pullbacks, particularly once a trend shift is confirmed according to your individual trading perspective and methodology. In conclusion, our approach of combining fundamental understanding with mass pressure timing aims to offer a comprehensive intraday market perspective. This integrated analysis provides potential insights into daily market tendencies and key timing points for potential trades. Always remember to adapt to real-time price action and rigorously apply sound risk management principles. If you found this intraday market analysis helpful, please give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Share this video with fellow traders who might benefit. Leave your comments and questions below. We value your engagement, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more regular market insights and analysis. Thank you for watching, and we wish you successful and informed trading.